Okay, welcome back to BJ's Official. In today's video, I am going to be breaking down to you everything that you need to know about this new paying platform called Incosify. So this is what we are going to be looking at in today's video. So if you want to know how this platform works in one place, then this particular video is for you, because right here on this video, I am going to be breaking everything down from scratch in order for you to understand. But before we do that, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a video like this. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose, and make sure to make your own personal findings before you opt in, because any shows varies based on individual effort. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. First, I believe you will love to know what is Incosify. Now, as you can see right here, Incosify is an AI-powered system designed to help users turn their smartphones into income streams. It offers tools for automations, productivities, and smart earnings opportunities. Users can access multiple income sources through a single digital ecosystem. The platform connects them with remote jobs and digital tasks powered by modern technology. Incosify combines AI and innovations to support online entrepreneurship and financial growth. So this is what Incosify is all about. It's an AI-powered system that will allow you to make money or to generate money using your phone right from your home. So this is what you get to do on Incosify. So on this video, I am going to be showing you every other stuff that you also need to back up this. So another thing that we are going to be looking at is this, what we have right here. You see, this is a CAC approved certificate. This is to show you that Incosify has been successfully or has been officially registered with the federal government of Nigeria. So as you can see, here is the CAC. Let me zoom it. You can go and verify this number that you are seeing right here from the CAC web portal. So this is the Nigerian approved CAC certificate of Incosify, and the second one is the Europe CAC approved certificate. Let me also zoom it. You can confirm it if you want. So on Incosify, you get to earn through the use of AI powered system. So AI allows you to make money or helps you to make money on Incosify. Then if you check right there, imagine a life where your income grows daily, entirely backed by cutting-edge technology, leaving you with zero stress and maximum freedom. Now, to look at other features available on Incosify, you see this Incosify. On the Incosify, you know, in a world where insight drives innovations, companies across the globe are constantly seeking value, feedback to refine products and services. This is where Incosify by Incosify comes in. Simple process, multiple opportunities. So another feature that you have available on Incosify is the freelancing. Then Incosify freelancing is for business space where you'll be hired by foreigners or you'll be hired by foreign people. Also on Incosify, you are also going to be learning ghostwriting. You know what ghostwriting is all about, so we are going to do that on Incosify to connect everyone with top-tier public companies through Incosify. So this is one of the features that we are also going to be doing, or one of the digital skills you are going to be learning on Incosify as a registered member. So this is another opportunity on Incosify whereby a user can earn in reward. You get amazing reward and shares from every daily activities you engage on. So this literally means that every activities, every click, every time spent on the system, you are going to and get paid from it. So nothing is free here. Each activity that you make, every move is going to pay you on Incosify. So let's look at the virtual assistant. This one is like a customer care. It's not like it's a customer care service. It will allows you to solve any problems that you have in case you face any difficulties navigating the systems, facing any difficulties earnings. You can just reach out to the AI powered assistant or virtual assistant that is added to the platform to assist you. So you can ask your questions and you will get instant response. You ask anything that you want to know, make inquiries about whatever you wish to know on the system, and you will get your reply. So for you to get started on Incosify, you have to know that Incosify has two basic plans. So it actually has two plans that you can choose any one of it to go for. Now let me show you the plans and how they works. Incosify comes with two different earning structure or plans. So the number one plan is called Scatter Kit package, and on this package it comes with a registration fee of 9,500 naira, which is equivalent to 4.75 euro, as you can see right there. So let's check the breakdown of this. Then the registration is 9,500 naira. You are going to get a welcome bonus of the same amount that you sign up with, which is the 100% commission, and you are going to get 8,000 naira for in shares, which is equivalent to 4 euro. You are going to earn 200 naira for in reshares, which is equivalent to 0.10 euro. Understand? Now your daily earnings, each status that you post on Incosify, you are going to earn 1,500 naira in reward. For performing tasks and other activities, you are going to earn 1,500 as well. Then for ghostwriting, that will earn you 1,200 naira. For in-surveys, that will earn you 1,200 naira as well. Then for the virtual assistant job, so if you want to be responding to text or to messages, questions, you also get paid for that. So this is what you are going to be doing on Incosify for you to earn. Now the second plan that we are going to be looking at is the highest plan or the highest available plan on Incosify, which is called the Apex package. And this Apex package comes with a sign-up fee of 15,500 naira. Then you are going to be given a 100% cashback, which is 100% commission of exact amount that you sign up with. So this is what you are going to get on Incosify. Then the each status post that you make here will earn you 2,000 naira. The ghostwriting 2,000 naira. In movie review, like when you review movie on Incosify, you are going to get paid 1,000 naira per movie that you review. The AI assistant going to will earn you 1,500 naira as well. And the survey, you are going to get 2,000 naira per survey, and in video clipping will earn you 3,000 naira. So the total earnings is estimated around 16,000 naira that you are going to be getting. Okay, so if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. And if you have any question, if you have anything that you want to know